So I'm going to do a video to show you how to sew on your logo tag. So you thread your needle and then you pull the two ends of thread together so that they're even, and then you're just going to tie a knot in the end and trim off the excess that's under the knot as close to it as possible. So there we go. Now you're going to take your logo tag and you're going to decide which way you're going to hold your lead. So for me, I like to have the dangly bits at the front, so this is the way that I will sew my logo tag on. So just place that where I'm wanting it, and I go in directly through the hole. Try to use a thicker needle because it helps, and come out the back and just gently pull that until it gets to the end. You don't want it to go all the way through, and then you're going to push through the back as close to the edge of the tag as you can. Pull your needle through, and then you're just going to repeat that. So you're going back in through the top, mind your fingers at the back, the needle's going to come through, and you've made that loop there, and you're going to just keep repeating that. So coming through the back to the front, try and get as close as possible. Oops, make sure that it doesn't catch like mine just did, and you're just going to repeat that again, probably about 6 times. Now, I'm not a sewer, so this is not perfect, but I just wanted to show people, just in case people weren't sure how to attach the tags. And then to finish it off on the back, I'm going to make kind of like a little cross. So I'm just going to stick my needle through the thread, pull that through, pull it, and then kind of repeat it on kind of like a cross. And again, just mind your fingers. And once you've done that, you can trim off the excess. And you're going to do the same thing for this side now. And then your final thing to do, there is normally a little piece of film. So you can see where I've just sort of pulled it up at the edge there, and just really gently like hold down your thread. I prefer to do it after I've sewn it on because it kind of stops you putting your fingerprints on it. And the same on this side. And there we go. And I just think that adds like a really nice touch of luxury, and it matches the lead tag, and it just looks really nice. So I hope that helps.